Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5. So we're doing some rear brakes. 13mm bolts for the bracket. Probably will need a pair of pliers to hold the insert for the bolts. They like to rotate with them since being on there for so long. So just put a pair of pliers here, ratchet or 13mm, and bust it loose, and that'll hold the insert there in place and rotate the bolt out. Now, this is one of those beautiful setups where you require a tool like this to go in, rotate the caliper, and also push it in at the same time. There are the other ones, the box up ones or whatever like that. They'll go in there, sit in a little insert and do the same thing and rotate and push it in. But professional style tool, you can probably rent these at Advanced Auto, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. They just make this type of job 10 times quicker. So rotate caliper in until it stops. New pads, put some grease on there and tighten them up. Pretty simple. The later models, the newer models, will likely have electric parking brake. Those are the ones you're gonna have to pay attention to. This is still mechanical. The newer ones will have the electric, so you'll have to disable the electric parking brake if you have it, because you do not want to compress this caliper and rotate this caliper. And if this has an electric motor, you will tear that thing up in a heartbeat and you will be putting new calipers on. So just make sure that you know whether you have an electric or mechanical before you start on this type of repair. If it is an electrical one, there's usually a procedure that you can Google or YouTube and find how to disable it. If not, you'll need a scanner in order to do so. But other than that, this is a pretty simple setup. A lot of Fords are like this. A lot of European cars are set up like this with this rotating caliper. Any questions, comments, feel free to let me know.